Hello viewer, welcome to my channel. Today we are making a beautiful art of crochet. Crochet offer a wide range of benefits for both your mental and physical well-being. Here are some of the key: reduce stress and anxiety, improve mood, physical health benefit, improve fine motor skill and may help to manage pain, improve hand and eye coordination. Crochet is a social activity that can be enjoyed with family and friends. There are many online and in person communities where you can connect with other crocheters.